We are supporting our players in Tokyo Olympics and we want them to get as much as medals possible. We want the best outcome for them. Well, the same outcome is expected from government of Japan in terms of economy. The Olympics is going to play a huge role in strengthening the economy of Japan. The revenue generated will be directed in various verticals. Foreign investments and tourism are going to play a critical part, but heavy investments are going to come before it, that is, construction of new hotel, renovation of existing one, and many other expenses. In order to be unique and to persuade people to generate a huge revenue, there are few strategies that must be incorporated. Over-delivering is one of the methods that must be used at large. This method must be incorporated to get profit, as billions of dollars have been invested in Tokyo Olympics. When people expect more and when their expectations are met, the retention rate is going to be at peak. Hence, over-delivering is a method that must be used at large. Reinforcement strategy is one of the strategies that is given the most importance while planning out Olympics. When tourists come in, roads and streets are altered to take people to famous localities and places. This is done in order to increase their stay time so that revenue can be generated. For example, when we go in an amusement park, after every ride, we are directed toward their merchandising store. We tend to spend more and more time over there and spend lot of money. Subconsciously, we tend to spend more time over there, which influences our purchasing power. If you are in business or want to incorporate strategies to scale up your idea, these are the few methods that you must try on. If you loved this video and found the video unique, share it with your peers. For more strategy and business related content, do subscribe to the channel.